Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Kauffman, and I specialize in treating geriatric dental patients in their home. I often get this call, a panic call, in fact. I lost my dentures. What should I do? Well, the first thing you should do is call your dentist and go and have them replaced because if they're lost, they're lost. Sometimes it's the nursing home fault or the hospital fault, and yes, you could try to replace it using their dime. Not easy, but you can try. As soon as you get your new dentures, however, you should look at housecalleddentist.com. You will see a program called Denture Safe. You can then make a duplicate of your denture, well-fitting denture, and just in a matter of 24 hours, if you do lose them again, we can replace them. Try not to lose your dentures. Never wrap them in a tissue, toilet paper, or place them anywhere on your food tray if you're in the hospital, or anywhere where they could be accidentally thrown out. And if, God forbid, you're sick, always remove them and let your mouth rest because you don't want them in your mouth if you're feeling ill, because you may lose them in the toilet, which is what a lot of people tell me happened, and then flush them. So that's my advice for the day. Anything else, you can always find me, CEO of Geriatric House Called Dentistry. You can write me a little note, drop us a line, and look at House Called Dentistry.